How to create a pop-up subscription button on Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a pop-up subscription button on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. To create an account on Shopify, you can also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading all-in-one e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create, customize, and manage online stores without needing an advanced technical skills. It also provides tools for building professional websites, managing products and inventory, processing payments, tracking orders, and handling shipping from a single dashboard. And Shopify supports multiple sales channels, including online stores, social media platforms, marketplaces, and in-person point-of-sale systems, making it easy for merchants to sell wherever their customers are. Now to create an account, just click the login button or sign up using your email, Google, Apple ID, or Facebook. After that, you will be directed in this homepage of Shopify. And now to start adding a subscription button, make sure you already has customized or go to the online store section on the website panel and under themes customize this website in here. However, there's also another way on how we can do it using this platform called Helpsite, in which it is a no-code SAS platform that helps businesses and website owners to enhance their sites by adding ready-to-use interactive widgets without any coding or technical skills. So basically from here, we're going to use this platform in order to create a pop-up subscription buttons to our Shopify store. So after signing in here on the website, all you need to do is simply navigate under the catalog section on the top of it. By doing so, you can simply go to the search bar and start searching pop-up. This is basically the result in here, so all you need to do is simply choose this one. After choosing the pop-up, all you need to do is to simply wait for it to load since it might take some time. And after that, all you need to do is simply choose your preferred template to start with. If you also are new collection in here, ready for Christmas, and any other kind of templates to choose from. If you're also for Halloween, Black Friday, announcement, all you need to do is simply scroll down and simply click any of this template to start navigating it. But I'm going to choose this one, which is a newsletter subscribe. After that, from here we can start clicking or choosing our own background in here depending on our preferences. But you also need to remember that since Helpsite only offers at least one widget, you need to delete the other widget that you've already created before creating a new one. So from here, I'm going to simply customize this first newsletter subscription button. I'm going to choose the layout in here. Let's say this one. Once done, you can also start customizing the other things, including this image. By clicking this, we can start uploading our own image in here from our computer files. I'm going to simply select a random image in here to be replaced this one. And all you need to do is wait for it to be fully uploaded, and this is basically what it looks like right now. Moving on, aside from this, you can also customize the image if you want to. Going back to this page once more, you can also navigate here this edit spacing to edit the spacing, the font style, font size, the text, and many more. Now under form, we can add here a variety of fields such as short text, email, phone, and many more. But I'm going to choose the email in here. You can also enter instead of this submit button. We can change this to make this subscription button or subscribe button right here. But at this point, I'm just going to simply keep it this way, submit button. Moving on, below here, you can also redirect the customer to the URL depending on your preferences. Now after that, you can also navigate the email notification, spam protection, and the appearance in here, including the color scheme of the button, the background of it, or basically the whole style of our newsletter subscription. But once done, all you need to do is simply click the publish button on the top right corner. Then the next thing that you need to do is simply choose your plan with here the free plan, basic, pro, and many more. But just choose the free one. And now after publishing this one, all you need to do is simply click the three dots and the embed code option or button right here. By clicking on it on this pop-up window, just simply click copy code button and simply go back to our Shopify store, and from here just click edit theme to be directed in this editing section or theme of our website. Just choose the add section on the left side panel under templates, and in here scroll down until you find this custom liquid. By clicking on it, all you need to do is simply wait for it to load, since we're going to simply paste the embed code that you just copy from the website. Then paste in here directly and click the save button on the top right corner to see what it looks like. Upon clicking or hitting save, you should be able to see here this one or the effect of it. You have now here our newsletter or subscription button in here. So this is basically how we can start collecting a subscription when a customer or a visitor try to enter their email and click submit. They will become a subscriber, or they will receive any email updates regarding our products or our store updates. But overall, that is just basically how you can create a pop-up subscription button on Shopify. Thank you.